Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. This video will be about the Ukrainian letter sh. Sh. Please look into my eyes, listen and repeat very attentively. Sh. Okay. Several years ago, I have already recorded a video lesson about the letters sha and sh. I compared them, I gave you some recommendations how to pronounce them right, and under that video I got lots of negative comments, specifically from the Ukrainians who hated me and said that I pronounced the letter sh in the wrong way. Therefore, I'm recording this video in my defense, and I want to explain you about my mistake. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо. Let's get started. So guys, in that video, I told you that I pronounced the letter sh. Like this, sh. And many people wrote that it's wrong, that it's like in the Russian alphabet, and the right way to say that is to say sh. So yeah, I can agree with you that it is correct to say sh, because the letter sh is the combination of two Ukrainian consonants, sha and che. And when you read them together very fast, sh, we got this Ukrainian letter sh, like борщ, sh, щавель, счастье. Yeah, and yes, I'm from the south of Ukraine. And I speak with my family not Surjik. I speak sometimes with them this steppe dialect, because the south of Ukraine is the steppe region, so there is a special dialect. Yeah, I pronounce this letter like this, sh. Yes, but in my defense, I want to tell you that when I teach my students the Ukrainian language, the second one, I don't teach them pronounce like sh. I teach them to pronounce it, and I have this example in my that previous lesson. That example, like, for example, we have such two words together, like fresh cheese. And if you pronounce it very fast, fresh cheese. These letters we pronounce as combination of such English letters like SH plus CH. And when you say fresh cheese, very fast, you can hear that letter sh. So this is the same. When we say sha and chi, you read it together. So I teach my student right to pronounce this Ukrainian letter. Yeah, so sh. But it's very tough to pronounce it in the words like счастье, щавель. Yeah, you just need to have some practice. Even for me, as for the native speaker, it's not so easy. But just need to take some practice, some time, and you can do that with the help of some phonetic exercises. You can read the tongue twisters for the letter sh. Yes, and it will help you to improve your pronunciation. And guys, I would like to recommend you to check out my Ukrainian language textbook, Ukrainian alphabet book. It was written by the Irina Topolnika. She's a teacher and Methodist of my school Speak Ukrainian, and me and my team, we made this textbook alive. So I got this idea, Rina wrote it, it's great, it's amazing, super professional, so I highly recommend you to check it out. And there you can find not only the Ukrainian letters, rules of the pronunciation, examples of the words with all the letters, and also we have the phonetic exercises, and we have, of course, the voiceover that we did in the professional studio in Ukraine. So guys, I hope now you understand how to pronounce the Ukrainian letter sh. Yes, you can repeat it one more time. Yes, I can sometimes mispronounce something. It's okay to be a person, it's okay to make mistakes, therefore I record this video for you. Guys, if you want to learn beautiful Ukrainian language from scratch and to become confident, you're welcome to check out my online Ukrainian language school at speaky.com. There you can find courses, individual lessons for the professional native teachers, textbooks, flashcards. We have an app, we have lots of things. We have a community on Telegram. I have a charity store. Buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. That's my baby, that's my mission. So let's unite and speak beautiful Ukrainian language. And дуже дякую my patrons, my supporters, my donators. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Ina. Thank God. The right. Now I think my haters are happy about that. Дуже дякую. Па-па. Bye-bye.